my channel. Today's video, I'm going to I was supposed to be doing a prom makeup look, but I don't got time to do that right now because I am gonna go out with my friends, so I need to hurry up because I was supposed to be ready like an hour ago, but you know me. Anyways, I am still sick. I've been sick since Friday, last Friday. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I'm going out with my friends edition, I guess. If you want to keep on watching, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York concealer. Fit Me concealer by Maybelline in the shade Light. I'm supposed to be in the shade like Sand or something, or shade 7. I don't know what the fuck, but they didn't have my shade, so I had to go with what they had. Already do have my eyebrows done. I just did that to save time. And I am still sick. As you guys can tell, I feel like I didn't have to say that, but then I feel like I did have to say that. But yeah, that's the deal right now. I'm going in with my Morphe again because I'm a broke ass bitch, and this is the only like good palette that I have. I'm gonna be going in with the same color, this one right here, and I'm gonna be using that as a transition shade. Oh, before I put the eyeshadow onto my lid, I'm gonna be trying the Daisy Marquez little what is that, the tip or challenge, I don't know what she called it, but like the little well, not setting your eyes, there you go. What the fuck, I did too much. But the not setting your eyes, and I want to see if it works because I've never tried it before, so it's gonna be my first time trying it, and then we gonna see what's the deal. Well, I don't know if you guys can see, but I like the look. I feel like it's more pigmented than it would actually look if I were to set my eyes. It's nice. It's not that bad. I don't see like it's wow, but you know, it's there. It's there. So I'm gonna be then going in with these two colors. I'm kind of gonna mix them a little bit, but I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want it to be super red. So I'm just gonna damn, people do not know how to drive. Cause I want like a bronzy. I think I'm gonna go with glitter too. I want like a bronzy shade, kind of like orangey bronzy shade. Oh, there you go. There you go. I'm gonna go in and use this shimmery shade right here, this one right here, just cause I want it. So, but I feel like I want to go on all the lid. I just like kind of like primed, or like kind of I don't know how you fucking say. I'm not a fucking beauty girl. I'm trying to go for like a bronzy look, like a glowy, I don't know what the fuck you call it, look. I feel like this was just to like set the, or for like a primer. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but just bear with me. Can y'all see that? Oh yeah, bitch. So then I'm gonna go back in with this one just to blend it out so it won't be like that harsh. You know what I mean? Can y'all see that? It looks all ugly right now, but trust me, let me just finish with my entire face and y'all gonna see the cute ass look. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, Beauty Grwm and shit. But okay, anyways, I'm gonna go in with a matte white eyeshadow shade right here, this one. Just dab that shit right there. My brow bone to clean up the look a little bit. There you go, bitch. There you go. I feel like I want to just I feel like I'm gonna start doing voiceovers just because I like listening to music, because I feel more inspired and more motivated to do my homework, my makeup.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it, girl. Big ass booty on my lap, make a nigga so excited. I got it.
Alright, the session is over. Ow. Ouch, that hurts. So then I'm gonna go in with eyelashes. Store and I bought some eyelashes because I'm a cheap ass bitch and I don't have money to go be buying some Lily lashes or Cocoa lashes or Ardell lashes or whatever. So I got all of these for $3. What do y'all think? I feel like I'm gonna go with these right here because I'm an extra bitch, so I gotta be extra. I gotta be extra to be called extra. I feel like they're fucking shitty. I think I put them backwards, but whatever. I don't have time to look perfect today, honey. I just don't. When my friend watches this video, she's gonna be like, what the fuck, this is why this bitch was taking forever. Oh, I'm sorry. Wow. Wow. So it turns out I'm not gonna go out anymore. So I just did this real quick so that I won't go out. And I could have time to do a prom makeup look for you know what, whatever. I don't know if it's my fault for not hurrying up or it's her fault for not having patience. I'm just kidding. I understand. Alright, now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Cover Foundation in the shade Nude Beige. This is my first time trying this. I just bought this today, so I'm gonna see what the hype is about. Oh, fuck. I hate being sick. What is you doing, honey? What is you doing? So I'm just gonna... I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill. Oh my god, I don't know why I look so white. I hate that every time I do my makeup. My foundation always looks so much whiter than I really am. And it's just annoying because then I'm gonna have those hating ass bitches coming at me saying your foundation does not match your color or your whatever, your neck. And you know what, bitch? I don't give a fuck, because if I did give a fuck, then I would have made it match. And actually it does match, but you know, it's never gonna be a perfect color. Never. I just wish them hating ass bitches understood. So then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer. This looks so weird, but I don't like putting a lot, but I do like putting a lot. I don't know if that makes sense.
Hello. I like it. You want it?
I have cookies right here.
Let me get one.
Please?
Please?
I'm gonna drop my shit. Now I'm gonna go with my bronzer. Looks like this. And I like to go in with these two colors right here. So but I feel like I'm just gonna go with this one today because I always use this one. I'm gonna give this one a try. I only used it like once, I think, like once or twice. So
Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remix it below. She my track queen.
oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I'm going with lipstick. This Milani. I don't even know if it goes with the look. Let me see. It doesn't go with the look, but I want to use it, so I'm gonna use it. Cause what the fuck I get with you, fuck.
Everybody hate who we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never like.
Alright, I need to fix this fucking lipstick because this shit is not. Oh my god, looks like. I really like how this becomes a matte, like a really matte. Anyways, I think this completes the look. I don't know why. Oh, I'm missing a mascara, bitch. How the fuck? Ooh. I'm disgusting, huh? Anyways. Alright, this look is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all bitches later. I'm probably gonna be back with the prom look girl this time because I keep saying prom look, but I don't. I'll be back with the prom look for sure. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed because the bitch took like 41 minutes and 44 seconds to be exact to film this video. So bye. It's gonna take a long time to fucking edit this video. Wow.